So hey you guys, yes, I'm back, and this is the first of, well, quite a few Black Series figures that I picked up while I was on vacation. As you can still hear, I still have the horrible cough that I got while I was on holiday. But yeah, back to the reviews. So we got ourselves a Dengar. Picked this up in the geek shop in the Florida Mall. I can't remember the name of it, but they had this, and they also had the Lando Calrissian, which will be up soon as well. But yeah, we'll start with this one. So there he is, quite a good likeness on the box there. Dengar written on the side, Dengar written on there as well. Number 74 in the set. On the back, crude and slovenly Dengar was nonetheless an effective bounty hunter. While other hunters prided themselves on finesse and style, Dengar performed firepower and destruction. Preferred power and destruction. So yeah, usual legalese and foreign language on the bottom, as down there as well. So let's pop this bad boy out of the box. They now have, and will have soon, produced all of the bounty hunters, which is obviously, they know what sells. Strange that these guys are only ever seen in the film for like, seconds, but have become such fan favourites. So there it is in the box. Backpack, hand blaster, and rifle. Nice. Popping that there. So let's have a close-up look at that. There's quite a nice face we have there. Move a bit more light round. The detailing in there is fantastic. The newer figures really do have, they have got better. Articulation wise, head doesn't move much. Body armour is, well, it's rubber. So yeah, yes. Movement in that bit, no waist movement. Knees will nearly go all the way back, like so. Oh, there we go. He has his slippers on, as you can see there. Nice pair of mules. Usual arm articulation. You can see. I love the focus, the metal work on there, the scratch marks. Yeah, a nice figure. Nice amount of articulation in there. This is a rubber holster and pouch. Belt is also excuse me, rubber. Legs wise goes out that way, but these pouches do get in the way a little bit. There we go. Does he stand? Not very well. See how he does with the backpack on. Which doesn't want to come out. There we go. So detailing on there, as you can see, let's get that in focus. Quite nice. Nice metallization or whatever you call it on this bit. And on there as well. Kind of interesting that these straps do sort of come off, but yeah. So that plugs in there, and then I guess that strap, which is hooked into there and goes under that, and this bit, there's a peg on it there, look, so that will peg into there. Excellent. Will he stand up now with the backpack on? Definitely not. He seems to suffer from wanting to fall backwards. Right, so the only answer is there we go. So this little blaster goes in to there like so, and if we put now, how does he hold like that? Okay, this guy is not going to stand, not on his own anyway, which is a bit of a shame. Ah, there we go, no, nearly. You guys didn't think you were going to watch a 3-hour video of me trying to get Dengar to stand up. Okay, he has real standing issues, which is a shame. Maybe use his rifle as weight to make him fall forward. Nope. So, yeah. Beautiful to look at, but will not stand up. Probably because the backpack's way too heavy, as you can see on there. So he's definitely going to be one that you're either going to have to get a stand for, or find a way to lean him. Any way to make those feet further for now. It's his little flip flops. They don't fit. His little moccasins he's been walking in. So yeah, it has little pegs in the bottom. So if you've got anything with pegs on it, Bob's your uncle. I like the figure. It's going to go great with the other bounty hunters. I like the fact that they've made such a, attention to detail of, making that go under there and tuck in like that. But yeah, he ain't going to stand up. Not in this lifetime. Not even if you try. You can't even make him lean forward enough to want to stand. So, yeah. What would I score him? Looks wise, he's definitely a 10 out of 10. Stand up ability, 0. If any of you guys out there know how to make him stand up without using pegs and things, you know what to do. So, yeah. This is Dengar. Like I say, very good likeness of a character that's in the film for probably less than 20 seconds. But has become such a fan favourite. He was one of my favourite toys when I was a kid. I think we all used to play a lot with the bounty hunters. So yeah, there we go. So if you've enjoyed this little video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. It's nice to be back. There'll be more videos to come. Hope you all have a great day. Hope you all have a great night. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.